It's almost like now I'm watching the Surface Duo slowly die. And the reason why I say that is because, like, the Surface Duo 1, right, is no longer getting updates. So if you own a Surface Duo 1 right now, you're not going to get the September update. You're not going to get any more updates, period. And this phone is now at a point where it's usable, as in the aspect of if you want to use it as a secondary device, you know, you can. Obviously, you're not going to use it as a cell phone because it's not getting security updates. So someone could hack into it and steal your information, and there's a whole bunch of problems there, right? So you're not able to protect it anyway. So a secondary device is still okay. You can update it with, you know, Android 13 if you want to through Shane Craig made a great video about it, and there's like different, you know, ex Microsoft employees who are finding ways to go ahead and give us updates to that device. But the Surface Duo 2 does live on, and it lives on for another year until next October, when we're going to be finally, well, I'd say finally, but sadly, we're going to be losing, you know, the Surface Duo 2 when it comes to updates. But yes, it did get the September update. It was 56 megabyte. So at this point, there's not even anything left. Like, they're not even trying or attempting to, like, put anything in these updates. It's really now, like, you know, they're kind of has to do it, and they're forced to do it. So they're like kind of like a kid, you know, who's like, I don't want to take a bath or something, I don't want to go to sleep or whatever, right? You're just like, okay, fine, I'll do it. Fine, mom, I'll do it. That's kind of where they're at right now. Which, I mean, I guess it's still something, and they're sticking to the word. And if they ever do give us another foldable cell phone or any type of cell phone in general, this is like the one positive I will say that came out of all this is that, you know, at least they had the track record that they kept the updates going as long as they said they would here. It says extra information. The update does not require any extra steps to perform before or after installation. Known bugs. Microsoft says the update does not contain any known bugs. So again, if you have any problems on Surface Duo 2, they're not going to fix them. They're not going to fix any problems with Surface Duo 1. It is just they exist now for the foreseeable future, and that is what we have. Which, again, like I said, I would say it's disappointing, but it really isn't at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, you know, Microsoft, this was a failure for both these devices for them. And it sucks too because I absolutely love both these devices. I know there's a millions of patents out there. Potentially, they're coming out with a Surface Duo 3, a Surface Duo Flip, whatever. I'm every day that goes by, I'm leaning more and more toward the fact that I think they're just canning everything. They're just moving on, wiping their hands, and it's something that might have been is not going to be. No Surface Neos. This is going to be my last video talking about this updates and the Surface Duo updates. I just wanted to kind of give my thoughts and opinions, as now this is the first month without a Surface Duo 1 update. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one.